Hi, I'm Shelley Wood, and this is my tiny sewing room where I make doll clothes sewing videos. Today I'm going to show you how to make a pair of very tiny little tights to fit little teeny tiny dolls like this vintage strawberry shortcake doll and her friends, for example, Blueberry Muffin, along with a number of other very small dolls in this size range. Before we begin, please go to my website, shellywood.com, to download and print this free PDF sewing pattern. Use the pattern to cut out the pieces shown here. Lay one garment piece on top of another, keeping right sides together if you're using a fabric where it matters. The brighter fabric is the right side. For these striped fabrics, the right side is less blurry than the wrong side. Can you see the difference? So make sure you're keeping right sides together. Sew from the top of the waist area to the point where the tights curve into the foot. Stop stitching at the curve of the foot. Open up the tights like this. Fold the top of the waist area once, and then a second time with the second fold being a little wider. Okay, to make sure you see what I mean, I'm going to show you a little video. So you do a very tiny fold, and then you do a second fold that's a little deeper, and you'll find that your pattern does have marks to guide you with this. So if you use the pattern, you can just kind of line things up with that casing. It can also help to use straight pins to hold it in place. That's the casing, so hold that casing in place while you whip stitch along the bottom of the casing, removing the straight pins as you go. Now that you have a casing, you'll need some elastic. Measure your doll for elastic. Look for a link to the elastic in the description below. Cut elastic to fit, and then attach a tiny safety pin. Send the safety pin through the casing and hold the elastic in place with straight pins. Now again, it helps to see a little video to show you what I mean. So I'm pushing a safety pin through the casing, and then I insert a straight pin that goes all the way through the elastic on both sides. Fold the tights in half, keeping right sides together. Okay, so I just fold them in half like this. Remember, those straight pins are still in place. Now stitch from the waistband down, just like we did in an earlier stage, to where the foot is. But this time you're going to go all the way around the foot. Okay, all the way around the outside edge of one leg, over the crotch, and around the outside edge of the other leg, and then clip your seams. Now I'm using Fisker Stitcher's mini scissors, and I highly recommend them when you clip those seams because they give you a precision that big scissors don't. With something so tiny like these tights, you really need those little snips. And I've left a little link in the description if you need a pair of these. Invert your tights. I like to use a chopstick to help with inverting. And if you need a pair of chopsticks, again, I have a helpful link for you down in the description below. As I'm sure you are aware, these are incredibly tiny. So when you use your chopstick, start with the blunt end. Okay, that's the wider end of the chopstick. And if you're going to use the narrow tip, Go slowly and very gently so you don't accidentally poke all the way through your stitches. Now you're ready to try your tights on a doll. For more free printable PDF sewing patterns for making doll clothes to fit dolls of many shapes and all different sizes, please remember to visit my website, chellywood.com, and Chelly is spelled with a CH.
What if there was an easy way to take a big doll pattern and resize it to fit a little doll, or vice versa? I'm Chelly Wood, the doll clothing designer, and in my pattern alteration class, I'm going to share with you my resizing formula.
Pattern alteration is when you take a pattern that you already own and you make changes to it. Let's say a dress doesn't fit your doll quite right. I'll show you how to create a gusset to extend the dress's bodice. Along the same lines, I'll show you how to use a doll's body measurements to lengthen and shorten shirt sleeves, and to recreate the pants patterns you already own so they will fit dolls of different shapes and sizes. Following my instructions, you'll learn how to reshape dresses and skirts, making them fuller or less full depending on the look you're going for. With this collection of more than 40 videos, you'll use my measurement guide and dozens of tips and tricks to create a full wardrobe for the doll or dolls of your choice.
I invite you to join me. We are going to have so much fun.